So hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers again. This is going to be Subway Surfers Part 2. It's a really fun game. If you guys want to do it, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. In a minute, hold on. And if you guys want to go check out my brother's YouTube channel, his name's Elaine Peterson. Look up that and you'll find him. He has some really good videos. I love this game. I'm literally so good at it. I just love playing it. I play it mostly every day. I get okay. Spent 2 lilies. Logo. I want to get past 1,000 coins. Hold on. What's going on? I think I just got a message. No. I don't care about Musically right now. Oh, why? I had 24 keys and then went to 8. I don't get it. Oh! So I hope you guys like this video today. We're probably going to be playing this for an hour, so let's get started. And can you guys like my video in 5 seconds? Ready, set, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys just want to leave down in the description if you guys are good at this, because I really want to know. And if you guys can, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, can you guys leave down in the comments what we could do? It'd be really amazing. Thank you. Bye.